everybody, and welcome to my channel. So a lot of you guys have watched my random videos, but a lot of you guys have been watching my bling videos. I have a lot more DIY videos that I want to share with you guys. I just been super swamped with everything, but I definitely want to share with you guys on that. So I am on the website. I follow them on Facebook, BeCreateful. That's the website that I have used. I probably have ordered them from them like 6 or 7 times. I love their jewels. I feel like they have reasonable prices. But on their Facebook page, and I think on Instagram, they posted a subscription box. Now I didn't subscribe to it. I just signed up for it. I don't know if it's going to be a monthly thing where you have to pay, but they just wanted to see how well it would, you know, sell. So it sold out that night. I don't know how many people got it, but they're trying something new. And it sold out, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to try it, because, you know, I just want to see what you get. Now, they do have you, they did say that it, let me see what it says. I saved it on my phone. So the box itself is $36.50. It is free shipping, so you guys can get that. It says each bling box experience prepared for you will consist of 1 tool, 5 full-size products, 1 unique project, and an extra surprise plus free shipping. I'm pretty excited because this is 1 project that you guys can do. So if you guys been watching stuff, you got 1 project. Now the box is kind of light, so I have no idea what it is, but I mean, it comes with a nice little beautiful black box. I hate to say this, but this is probably going to be my storage box for all the jewels that I have, that I keep in the packaging that I haven't opened yet, because this box is the bomb.com. I just recently watched a movie with that. So let's dig in and see what we got. So I ordered this 2 days ago, I think, or Saturday night I might have ordered it. I don't remember. And today, no, not Saturday night. I think I ordered it Sunday night. It shipped Monday, and today's Wednesday, and I got it. So here it is. It's just a nice little empty box. So here we got this little thing. So we are going to open it and see what we have, and we will see if it's worth the price. Okay, so it's a box and a bag and a bag. So yes. If you guys do, I don't know if you guys can use my coupon code, but I do have a coupon code down below where you guys get 10% off your first purchase. I don't know if it includes the subscription box, but I do have a link that you guys can join, or not join, you guys can use. So let's open it up and see what it is. Oh, cute. Oh, sweet. Okay. So it's a little wooden sign that says thankful. So that's kind of cute. And what you do is, they gave me a lot of jewels. Like, they gave me a lot of jewels. I know this right here is, this is the Luxe Crystals. I use this all the time. I love the Luxe. This is about $7 and something cents. We have the Luxe. Oh, sweet. Sweet. The Luxe is something where they cut the glass just a little bit differently. And we got that. So this is the Peridot Glass. I don't know how much this costs. Let me just check the website real quick, and I will let you guys know. I have them pretty much right on the top of my thing. So here we got the Luxe, and so this is the SS20. This is my go-to size that I always make. So they just added the Luxe of the colors. It looks like, I'm not finding the color right away. Okay, Peridot. So it's for the SS20s. Doesn't say it in the website, but let's just say the SS16s. So the SS16 is $12.82. So let me see if there's a different color that has the SS20s. And see how much that would cost. They might, oh, they don't have it. So this is something that's not available. So this is probably $13 or $14. So right here we got 7 and 14 bucks, okay? And then we have the SS30s, something I don't have a lot of. I usually get the SS30s in the little value pack. But this is the Citrine Glass Yellow, and I will check what the price is for that. Now these are flat back rhinestones. They will be doing one for hot fix, so I'm excited to try that out. I've never done hot fix. If you don't know what the difference is, glass back is where it's just, or flat back is just where it's a flat thing. You glue it to whatever surface you want. You got to use specific jewels. But if you do hot fix is what you guys can like do to clothes and stuff, so it's kind of fun. So these are the SS30s, and you get 288 gems in here. So this is $8.39. So let's just see, and there's 2 more colors, you guys, and there's a tool. Oh my goodness, this is, I think that right now this is totally worth it. And I've gotten a couple of these already. These are these little pens. She just puts these in extra. I think this is awesome. Awesome, and it comes with a little case. That is so cute. And then here is a tool that I have not used. I used the other tool and I have not tried this one yet, so we are going to see what this one does. So, oh, it's like a fine tip. Man, it's like, oh, I'm getting this next time I need to make an order, because I use the bigger tips and they always get super small. This is perfect. So basically I use this to like move the gems around, and then I use it to pick up the little tiny pieces, and you can add it like that. This I think is like $6 if you guys did that. Supplies. So we'll see how much this costs. So these are $5.93 for this. $5.93, okay? And then we got 2 more colors. We have the Chameleon Siam. This is the SS10s. And then we have the flatback SS16s of that. So I'm going to show you guys what these prices cost. I'm just going to pick anything right now. So let's just say the, what do we got? SS16s, those are $7.13. And the SS10s are $5.88. So we got 5, 7, I don't remember. I mean, this is totally worth it, you guys. I paid $35 for this plus free shipping, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items for $35. I think that's a great deal. I'm definitely going to do this again. These are colors that I wanted to see in person and I haven't seen in person yet, but I am so excited for this. So I will definitely put how much everything costs in the description below when I do add everything up and let you guys know how much everything costs. But I'm pretty excited for this. I think for $35, if you guys are a crafter like me and you want some projects to work on, I think that is awesome. So I'm trying to figure out how I would do this. I'm just happy with the jewels, but I'm like, this is kind of cute. This would be something, I could actually get this full of jewels and then put it on like a board and then have it stick out. That would be really pretty. That would be really pretty. So this is sold out. I don't know if they're gonna bring this box back. I think she's just testing it out, but she did say that they are bringing the hot fix out, so I'm going to try whatever I can. But if you guys are interested in this, follow them on social media, on Facebook, or follow them on Instagram, and they will tell you all about it. But I am so excited for everything that I got. But yes, I will add everything up and let you guys know how much everything costs. But this was so worth it. So worth it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.